So we're going to focus on number 23 right here. It states that ABD is congruent to CBD. We need to name the theorem or postulate that justifies the congruency of these. So when we look at this, we have the following pieces of information. AB is congruent to BC by a side length. Then we do have a right angle. Well, this right angle is shared by both sides, so if this is 90 degrees, then the other has to be 90 degrees. So that gives us an angle. So we have a side and an angle. So right away, we know we can just cross out HL. If we look at the next piece of information here, we have BD. It's shared by both triangle ABD and CBD. BD, BD. If that's shared by both of them, then we know right away that it's a side length. So it can't be angle side angle, can't be that. So the only justified answer would be side angle side. Alright. Number 24. Given that triangle LMN is congruent to triangle UVW, we need to complete the statement. Well, we do have a congruency statement given right away. So the way we could solve this one is by looking at it. We have UW. UW would be congruent to what? Well, UW is the first and the last. So on this one, it has to be, A would have to be the first and the last for the other triangle, LN. Let's take a look at letter B. It's asking us what angle will be congruent to LMN. LMN, well, it's all based off order. It doesn't really matter because we're just focusing on that angle M, but we can just do the same order just to be safe, right? So if it says triangle or angle LMN, what would be congruent to it? Just first, second, third. It would have to be angle UVW. Or if you really want to see the other answer, you could also state that it's going to be WVU. The main idea is to have V in the center for when we're talking about the angle. Then let's look at the last one, number 25. Number 25 gives us another congruency statement. If VWX is congruent to GHI, which statement is not true? Everything is based off order, so we just need to go A through D to see which one is it not going to be. So first, WX is congruent to HI. Second, third, that is true. Does not give us our wrong answer. Then we have B. V is equal to G, so angle V is congruent to angle G. Again, that is true. Let's look at C. We have C, which is stating angle W is congruent to angle H, which is true. So, I hope we didn't make a mistake because we've gone 3 out of 4 already. Last but not least, we have VW is congruent to GI. As you can see, VW is our first and our second, but GI is the first and the third parts of the statement. So therefore, D is the only incorrect answer.